Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can send videos on Gmail. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it, so then make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to send videos on Gmail, first of all open up your Gmail application. Once you open up your Gmail, this is what the interface is going to look like. So right at the bottom, click on Compose. So right on top, you'll need to enter in the recipient email address, and once you do that, type in the subject. So to send a video on Gmail, you need to click on the paperclip icon located in the top right corner. As you click on it, two different options will appear. So from there, you need to click on attach file. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all of your pictures or videos that is stored on your device. And in the top left corner, click on the drawbar icon and then click on videos. Now you need to select the video that you want to send it to this particular email. As you can see, this is a particular link. If your video is less than 25 MB, then you'll be able to send it easily on your Gmail. Now what you need to do is, in order to send it or in order to confirm it, just click on the arrow icon located in the top right, and right at the bottom you can see that the email has been sent. In order to send a video that is more than 25 MB, what you need to do is you need to head back to your home screen and then open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in app.mediafire.com. So once you type in the link, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Now on this interface, you need to click on upload file now, which is right in center. On this piece, what you need to do is you need to click on the drawbar icon and then click on my file, which is right over here, and also you must register. Next interface, you need to import the file right over here, and then you need to click on upload. Once you do that, a link will be created for that file. After that, what you need to do is you need to copy the link and then head back to your email, and once you open up your email, what you need to do is you need to paste in the link, and that is how you can send larger videos or the video that is more than 25 MB on your email. So that is how you can send videos on Gmail. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.